a small short-legged deer with a crouched bill. The Visayan spotted deer is easily recognized by its namesake spots. This species is now restricted to less than 5% of its original range and is found on only two islands, Negros and Panay, of the Western Visayas chain in the Philippines. And the conservation status of this animal is endangered. Threats are habitat loss due to agriculture and logging, and resulting fragmentation of population and hunting.